I trust the Wall Street Journal. They have a great team on the ground in India, but a story about Apple contained serious errors and biases about India's manufacturing capability. So on December 3rd, on page B1, the journal had an article with the headline, Apple's New Plan to Move Beyond China. It was written by two reporters based in Japan and San Francisco. The online versions carried a slightly different title. The article quotes a former executive at a Chinese company, Mr. Dan Panzico. And he says, they're not doing high-end phones in India and Vietnam. No other place can do them. Are you kidding me? Foxconn and Wistron started manufacturing the iPhone X in India back in 2020. In 2021, the factories in Bangalore and Chennai began assembling the iPhone 12. And in September this year, Apple announced that its manufacturing partner was producing the iPhone 14 at a factory in Chennai. All of this has been documented. I'll share a link from the CNBC story. The reporters simply ignored the fact. The article then goes on to make other comments that are irrelevant. They say something like, Apple has found it hard to negotiate and navigate in India because each state in India has its own rules. Well, welcome to a free market democracy. The United States has the same situation. Texas and Illinois and California and Wisconsin and Ohio compete with each other with their own incentives and their own rules to attract companies to locate there. The state of Delaware likes companies to incorporate there because there are advantages to doing that. Similarly, in India, the states such as Karnataka, where one of the Apple factories is located, and Tamil Nadu, where the other one is located, compete with each other, and they compete with the states of Maharashtra and Kerala and Gujarat and others. That's just the way free market democracies function. And the Wall Street Journal knows that. They're the flag bearer of capitalist free market economies. But their reporters didn't care to speak to anyone who knows about Indian manufacturing when they wrote this article. Hopefully they'll do a better job next time. If you like this video, follow us on YouTube.